The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, in a beautiful distant pond, it was born an ugly duckling who was different from the rest of his brothers and sisters.
You're different, you're different, you're ugly.
While the yellow duck took off his feathers and laughed because he was different, the ugly duckling stood still and looked at the ground. The ugly duckling went to the pond because he didn't understand why the other ducks told him that he was different. The ugly duckling was looking to the pond when suddenly he was reflected in the water. The ugly duckling got very sad because he saw himself and saw that he wasn't equal to the others.
It's true. I am different. I'm ugly.
The ugly duckling walked and suddenly found a blue bird. The ugly duckling realized that he was different from this bird too.
What's the matter?
Oh, I'm so sad because I am different from you too.
The ugly duckling kept walking and came across a pink bird.
Hi, how are you?
I'm sad because I'm different. And I am different from you too.
The ugly duckling was very sad. He thought that he would never find anyone like him. The ugly duckling was going to give up, and suddenly a cute purple bird appeared.
Hi, my friend. Do you want to play with me?
I can't play with you because I'm different from you.
Yes, you can, because I'm different from you. You're different from me. We are different from the pink and the bluebirds, but it doesn't matter. We can dance all together.
Bird's party got started. They celebrate that nothing happens if you are different, while everyone is dancing, laughing and playing together. Finally, the ugly duckling realized that beauty means to be different, and they all lived happily ever after.